This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to Python tutorials, AKR coders. My name is Kusu Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss what is variable, how to declare a variables in Python, how to declare a variables in Python, the declaration of variables in Python. Now, variable. First of all, what is variable? What is variable in Python? It is a variable. A Python variable, Python variable is a or Python variable is represents memory location. Python variable is represents is represent is represents is represents a memory location to store the values. Variable is a value whose value can be changed during execution of the program. A variable is a value. A variable is a value whose value whose value can be changed during execution of the program. Now, the rules for declaring Python variables. Rule for declaring Python variables. What are the rules for declaring a Python variable? The first rule: a variable name, a variable name, any variable, a variable name must start with with a letter, with a alphabet or underscore. But here the underscore is used in only private variable declaration. In Python, the variables start with underscore also, because Python all the private variables in OOPS concepts. There are the three types of variables: private variable, protected variable, and public variable. In Python, the private variables are declared the underscore name. That means underscore is name is a private variable. Single underscore is a protected. Double underscore is a private variable. Single underscore is a protected variable. Double underscore is a private variable. Okay. First rule: a variable name must start with a alphabet or underscore symbol And the second rule is a very important rule. A variable name cannot start with a digit. A variable name cannot start with a digit. Okay, clear, guys. And the third one, a variable name can only contain a alphanumeric and underscore only. A variable name, a variable name, a variable name can contain alphanumeric and alphabets and alphanumeric and underscores only, it does not support the other remaining special operators. Variable names are case sensitive. Python variable names are case sensitive case sensitive case sensitive. That is, that is, that is, for example, one variable name is home, and 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 another variable name is home. These two are different. These two variables. These two variables are different, but not the same, because this home is small letters and this home is a uppercase letters. This one is a lowercase letters. Okay, guys. Variable name can be of any length. Python variable name. A variable name can be of any length, but here the length is not the any fixed value. Below 8 characters or 8 characters, that's not fixed. Variable name can be any length. What are the valid variables and what are the invalid variables? Valid and invalid. Invalid variable. What is valid variable and what is invalid variable? For example, we are declaring a name. Name is a valid variable. Name is a valid variable. And one more point is important. Sixth one is does not allow blank spaces. Does not allow blank spaces. Within a does not allow the blank spaces. Within a variable name does not allow the blank space. These are the valid and invalid variable. Name is a valid variable. And for example, we are declaring name. and blank spaces. These are not a variable. Name is one variable, NA is one variable, ME is another variable, but not one variable. These two are defined two different variables. And example, age is a valid variable. So 45 age is not a valid, it is a invalid because the variable start with the alphabet, does not start with alphabet. Here the variable start with a digit, so it is not a valid. Total is a valid variable. For example, 8 total is a invalid because this variable start with the alphabet. This variable start with the digit. Okay, it does not allow the keywords also. Variable does not allow the keywords also, very important. Next one, next point, how to declare variables. How to declare variables. How to declare variables in Python. How to declare variables in Python. This is very important. This is very important. In other programming language, declaring a variable data type, like data type. Now here, like other programming languages, okay, Python has no command. Python has no command for declaring variables. That is very important. Like other programming languages, Python has no command for declaring variable. That is first one point, very important point. And second one, a variable, variable is a created the movement, created the movement, create the movement. You first assign a value to it. That is example. That is x equal to 5. That is here the variable x is created. Like other programming language, no command for declaring variables. Here x equal to 5. That means here to create a variable x, to create a variable x, to create a variable x and assign value assign the value 10. Assign the value 10. That is very important. Okay. Again, one more. For example, another one. Y equal to Python. Y equal to Python. Here, to declare a variable y, to create a variable y, and assign the value to Python. And print the values, print of x and print of. This is a simple command for declaring a variable in Python. Here, how to declare a variable in Python. Next one, redeclare a variable. Redeclare a variable. That means redeclare. Redeclaring is possible. Redeclare a variable. Redeclare a variable. How to redeclare? How to redeclare? Once you create a variable, you can redeclare a variable. Redeclare a variable. Redeclare a variable. Okay. Redeclare the variable. Even after we have to declare it once. Declare it once. Okay, for example, x equal to 5. We have to declare the variable x value is 5. Okay, and print the value of x. Now this value is x is created. And after declaration, now the x equal to y. That is the x equal to 10. Redeclaring after printing the value of y equal to print the value of x. Value of x. Now here assume that here x is a variable. X is a variable. The 5 value is pointing to 5. Now here in Python is special. Here x is the object of the integer class. X 5 is a value. This value is assigned to x object. Here x is the object. This object is 5 variable. This is clear up to here. Print the value. The output is only 5. Okay. And the next one, x equal to 10. Now this is called as redeclaration. Now is a 10 is a value. This x is assigned to 10 value, but not the 5. This is called as a redeclare a variable. This is called a redeclare a variable in Python. It is possible in Python. In other programming language, it is not possible, but Python it is possible. Let's see, explain with example. Okay, now Tronix rounding. Here, assign the value, for example, x equal to 5. Okay, And now print of x, print the value of x. Okay. And one more value, redeclaring. It's the value x equal to 10, and here print of the x. This is called as a redeclaration of x. Okay, guys, up to here clear? Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos, subscribe KKR Coders YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.